Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and this is going to be different than my other ones because I'm going to be commentating on this one, and on my other ones it was just music over like the unboxing and like on feet or whatever. So yeah, the shoes are the Billionaire Boys Club Human Race Trail or Trial, whatever. I think it's Trail. NMDs by Pharrell Williams with Adidas, and they came out on October 20th, I think, so a little over 2 weeks ago. It's November 3rd now. I got them 5 days ago, so I haven't worn them yet. I've tried it on, of course, but I'll get to that later when I try them on my feet too, and you'll be able to see how they look like. So this is the box. This is the box right here. It says Adidas Pharrell Williams, and I got a 9.5, which US, which I am on most shoes. Some I'll go up a size, or some I'll go down to 9, and yeah, but most of my shoes are 9.5, so that's what I got. So this wrapping right here, it says GOAT. That's the app that I got it from. That's where I'm gonna get most of my shoes from now on. So yeah, so yeah, that's just a wrap though. Nothing special. So just gonna move that. And then on the front of the box it says HU with 2018, and then like a 3 with a triangle. HU means, so I looked it up right here online, and it means a reference to color, or it's short for human being, human race, humankind, stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. And if you're wondering, I am like, if you hear like wind blowing, it's because I'm outside of my in my garage with it open, so light can come in. My room doesn't really get good lighting, so that's why I'm out here. So yeah, that's the box. On the back, same thing. Okay, so enough about the box. Here are the shoes. And already from the start you can tell like just the amount of color it has: red, white, yellow, navy blue, black. I mean, they fit together. It looks pretty nice. I don't think it looks bad at all. I mean, on any other shoe I probably think it looks ridiculous, but this is the right. So on this one it's gonna say heart. I don't know if you guys can see. The T is hidden right there, and it's also blue, so it's kind of hard to tell. But yeah, this one says heart, and so the other one says mind. This one is the left. Yeah. So what is pretty cool too that I like is that it has you can customize your laces to wherever you want to place them. So you don't have to put them up here. Maybe you could like scoot it up and like put them right over here, which is pretty cool. And it comes with also a pair of yellow laces. So if you don't like the white, you can switch them out, but I'm not going to do that. I think I'm going to keep the white on. I think that looks nice. You know, I think it might be too much color. If anything, I will put them on one shoe, but that's it. But yeah, that's what I would do. It has the Ultra Boost like foam thing. I don't know if it's, you got the rectangles, same as like they are in the NMDs. I mean, these are NMDs, but you know, they got them 2 out, 1 on the inside. And I think, yeah, you can go like hiking in these. Yeah, you can see that. I think in the other ones it's like horizontal. They have horizontal stripes or something. But yeah, you can see the boost through here. You got 4 here, 6 holes there. It says Adidas right in the middle. And on the back right here, you can see it says it has the Adidas logo. And on this one, for Billionaire Boys Club. Oh yeah, the insole That's what this looks like. It's got like a little pattern in there. When I did try them on, it was tight fitting when you first put them on, like when you're trying to put your foot in. But once it's in, it's, you know, it feels like a sock basically. So you don't really need the laces. You could go without them, but I think it still looks pretty good. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing.
Turn the side,